Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to replace headlights bulbs on my Chevy Silverado 1500. I'm replacing from regular bulbs to LED bulbs. So let's start. I have to remove back cover to access the bulb. Driver side is easy, but passenger side is little bit tricky. Now on passenger side. Removing air intake box. Remove back cover. Remove old bulb. Install new LED bulb. Put the cover back on. Look at the result. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.